Experience 80 years of historic coolness at the El Cortez. Welcome everyone. The El Cortez opened November 7th, 1941 and was owned for a short time by mobster Benjamin Bugsy Siegel. Legendary casino owner and Las Vegas icon Jackie Gahn owned the El Cortez from 1963 until 2008. He resided in the penthouse, went to his office every day, and was a regular player at the poker room until his death in 2014 at the age of 93. Las Vegas is a city that's constantly reinventing itself, but old school Las Vegas style and service lives on at the El Cortez. Kick it! Wager on horse racing, sports, and UFC fights at the El Cortez Sportsbook. Remember to get the Club Cortez Players Card and earn points when you play the machines, tables, and sportsbook. And here is the El Cortez lobby and lobby bar. Located upstairs is the NV Spa. Open every day from 10 a.m. until midnight. Located in the heart of the El Cortez is Siegels 1941, open 24 hours a day and home of the $14.95 prime rib special. The prime rib was thick cut and prepared perfectly medium done. Served with au juice and horseradish sauce. For my stay at the El Cortez, I booked a vintage room. These are the original rooms from the 40s located directly above the casino. I arrived early and I asked the desk clerk if I could check in early. I was told there were no vintage rooms ready, that I could stay in a vintage suite for the same price. Well, I happily agreed and tipped the desk clerk. Shout out to the staff at the El Cortez. The ice machine is located right next to the portrait of Benjamin Bugsy Siegel. If you have mobility issues, you should know there isn't an elevator to the vintage rooms, stairs only. Continue up the stairs to the 3rd floor to get to the vintage suites. There are only 4 vintage suites up here. In the old days before the hotel expanded, this is where the high rollers stayed at the El Cortez. The suite comes with a nice TV and a slightly larger than usual refrigerator. There is an entryway closet with an iron and an ironing board. Off to the side of the room is a barren but well-lit workspace, and a small walk-in closet with a safe. The bathroom was a little on the small side, and the sink looked like the original sink from the 40s. The tub and shower looked a little more modern, and overall everything was pretty clean. The window next to the bed overlooked Fremont Street and was right next to the famous neon gambling sign. You could say this is the vintage bling bling suite. Hey, if you like what I'm doing, you can buy me a coffee. I put a link in the description box below. Help me upgrade and grow, and buy me a Joe. Support my channel by subscribing. It's free. Tap the center icon on the screen now to subscribe. Hit that bell icon down below and you will receive notifications on future videos.